From smart EDC gadgets to powerful charging solutions and desk essentials, these products are built to make everyday life smoother, brighter, and more fun. Whether you're upgrading your workspace, packing smarter for travel, or staying prepared on the go, these clever finds deliver convenience, style, and practical value. All products links in the description section below. Whether you're grinding through workdays or easing into creative evenings, this electric standing desk quietly upgrades your routine. With smooth height adjustment and rock-solid stability, it lets you shift from sitting to standing without breaking focus. Picture answering emails standing tall in the morning, then lowering it for deep focus tasks after lunch. Memory presets keep your favorite heights ready, while the clean modern look blends into home offices or shared spaces. It's practical, comfortable, and built for long hours without strain, making movement feel natural instead of forced. If better posture and energy sound appealing, this desk is an easy habit upgrade worth trying at $94.99 fits seamlessly into your day. After a busy day, small routines matter, and this metal can crush a turns cleanup into something strangely satisfying. Mounted in your garage, kitchen, or recycling corner, it lets you crush soda or beer cans in seconds, saving serious bin space without extra effort. The solid steel build feels sturdy every pull, while the cushioned handle keeps it comfortable to use. It's practical, eco-friendly, and perfect for households that recycle often but hate overflowing bags. If you want a simple upgrade that quietly makes life easier, this little helper at $19.99 makes recycling oddly satisfying daily. There's something satisfying about ending the day with everything in its place, and this dresser valet box makes that ritual effortless. Set it on your nightstand and suddenly your watch, wallet, keys, and phone all have a proper home. The soft-lined compartments protect daily essentials, while the built-in charging station keeps your phone powered overnight. Mornings feel smoother when nothing is misplaced and everything looks sharp. It's functional, polished, and quietly elevates your routine. If you appreciate order with a touch of luxury, this upgrade at $124.99 belongs on your nightstand every day. When the room needs energy, this lightning reaction game instantly turns friends into laughing competitors. It's perfect for game nights, parties, or breaking the ice with a little suspense and fast reflexes. Everyone grips a handle, waits through the tension, and reacts in a split-second. Simple rules, big reactions. Adjustable settings let the group keep things playful while still competitive, making it easy to tailor the fun. It's the kind of game people talk about long after it's over. If you want memorable moments without complicated setup, bringing this out at $44.99 delivers unforgettable game night laughs. When a project idea turns into real planning, this laser measuring tool keeps things fast and frustration-free. Whether you're mapping a room, planning furniture placement, or tackling a DIY upgrade, it captures accurate measurements from every angle with a simple joystick control. No guessing, no remeasuring, just clean data you can send straight to your phone for editing or sharing. It's compact, precise, and surprisingly easy to use, even for quick home projects. If you enjoy working smarter and finishing plans with confidence, this tool at $69, smarter planning for every project. When you want to stand out without saying a word, these LED hats do the talking for you. Perfect for parties, concerts, or casual nights out, they let you display custom text, animations, or patterns straight from your phone. The classic baseball cap keeps things comfortable, while the bright LED screen adds instant personality. Change messages on the fly to match the mood, the music, or the moment. It's playful, expressive, and surprisingly wearable for everyday fun. If you like turning heads and sparking conversations, grabbing one at $29.99 light up every crowd effortlessly. When your desk doubles as your personal space, the Divoom Times frame fits right in. It displays photos, videos, and live widgets that keep memories and daily info visible without feeling cluttered. From home offices to gaming setups, it adds personality while quietly showing weather, reminders, or countdowns. Sending updates through the app feels instant and thoughtful, especially for staying connected across distance. The transparent display and soft RGB glow make it feel more like decor than tech. If you want a meaningful, always changing desk upgrade worth trying today at $199.99 that evolves with you daily. When convenience meets peace of mind, this fingerprint lock fits right into daily life. Whether you're heading to the gym, school, or packing for travel, unlocking with a simple touch feels effortless and modern. No keys to lose, no codes to forget, just quick access when you need it. The compact, waterproof design makes it easy to toss in a bag and trust it anywhere, while app support adds extra control when needed. It's practical security that doesn't slow you down, and for everyday protection, this smart lock at $24.29 keeps your essentials securely protected. When the room needs instant laughter, Shocktato brings chaos in the best way. It's the kind of party game that pulls everyone in, from nervous first tosses to full-on reactions once the music starts. Easy rules make it perfect for teens and adults, while different modes let you dial the intensity to match the crowd. It works for birthdays, game nights, or quick icebreakers when energy dips. Simple, silly, and surprisingly competitive, it's made for shared moments. If you want a game people won't forget, grabbing it at $34.99 for unforgettable party night laughs. If you're tired of reheating coffee between meetings or morning tasks, this heated mug quietly fixes that problem. Set your preferred temperature, pour your drink, and enjoy every sip exactly the way you like it. No rushing, no microwaves. It fits perfectly into workdays, late-night editing, or relaxed weekends, keeping your drink warm while you stay focused. The LED display makes it easy to check at a glance, and the rechargeable design keeps things simple. For anyone who values warm drinks done right, this upgrade at $99.99 keeps every sip perfectly warm. When heat threatens to drain your energy, this neck air conditioner feels like personal climate control. Ideal for commuting, outdoor errands, workouts, or hot offices, it delivers immersive cooling without tying up your hands. The wearable design sits comfortably, while smart modes quietly adjust to your surroundings, keeping things refreshingly balanced. Long battery life means you can stay cool through travel days or crowded spaces without stress. It's practical comfort that fits modern life, especially when summer pushes hard. If staying productive in the heat matters, this next-gen cooler at $211.01 keeps you cool anywhere comfortably. When your nightstand starts filling up with cables, this 3-in-1 charging station brings calm back into the routine. It neatly powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, making mornings simpler and evenings more relaxed. The soft 3-level night light adds a cozy glow without being distracting, perfect for winding down or quick nighttime check-ins. Magnetic alignment keeps charging effortless, while fast wireless power handles busy days with ease. It's a small upgrade that quietly improves everyday tech habits, and for a cleaner setup, this charger at $35.99 belongs right by your bed nightly. Cold mornings and outdoor plans don't have to slow you down, and these hand warmers make that clear fast. Slip them into your pockets during commutes, camping trips, golf rounds, or winter walks, and enjoy steady, comfortable heat that lasts for hours. You can use them together for full warmth or share one with a friend, which feels surprisingly thoughtful on chilly days. The charging case keeps them ready wherever you go, making them practical beyond winter. For everyday comfort that's easy to carry, this simple upgrade at $9.99 keeps your hands warm anywhere. For late-night reading sessions without disturbing anyone, this clip-on book light is a game-changer. Its gentle, eye-friendly glow lets you dive into stories with 3 adjustable color temperatures and smooth dimming, creating the perfect ambience for bedtime or study. Lightweight and rechargeable, it clips easily onto books or e-readers, following your reading angle without fuss. Whether at home or traveling, it's portable and reliable for long reading marathons. If you love immersing yourself in books without straining your eyes, this handy companion at $14.99 makes every page easy to enjoy. Keeping track of ear health becomes simple and precise with this digital otoscope. Compatible with iPhone and Android, it lets you see deep into the ear canal, capture photos or videos, and share results with family or healthcare providers. The HD camera and built-in light make inspection safe and clear, while the included tools help remove wax comfortably. Whether for home monitoring or curiosity about ear hygiene, it's practical and user-friendly. For anyone who values easy, reliable health checks, this handy device at $32.99 makes ear care straightforward and safe. For busy workdays and constant movement, this anti-theft backpack adds confidence to your routine. Designed for commuting, travel, and office life, it keeps your laptop and valuables protected with a secure lock and durable, water-resistant build. The organized interior makes packing effortless, while the external USB port keeps your phone powered on the go. Comfortable straps and a sleek profile mean it looks just as good in meetings as it does on trains or flights. It's practical without feeling bulky, making everyday carry simpler and safer. If security and comfort matter, this smart backpack at $73.99 keeps your commute stress-free. For moments when you need light and a little fun, this EDC flashlight delivers both without trying too hard. Slip it into your pocket for evening walks, quick fixes, or travel days, and it's ready when darkness hits. Beyond brightness, the playful RGB display and mini-games make downtime more entertaining, whether you're waiting around or just taking a break. Adjustable light modes keep it practical, while the compact build makes it easy to carry daily. It's functional, playful, and surprisingly handy. And this clever gadget at $40.99 lights fun everywhere daily easily. When work, gaming, and travel collide, having one charger that does it all feels like a small life upgrade. This compact GAN powerhouse keeps laptops, phones, and accessories topped up without juggling bricks or fighting for outlets. The smart display adds confidence, showing power flow and temperature at a glance, while for ports make shared desks and hotel rooms easy. It slips into a bag, folds flat, and quietly handles busy days for creators, professionals, and everyday users. If simplifying your setup sounds appealing, this reliable upgrade priced at $79.99 fits modern charging needs perfectly. If your desk doubles as a study zone, charging station, and chill corner, this LED desk lamp fits right in. It blends soft, eye-catching light with everyday essentials like a clock, alarm, USB charging, and a handy pen holder, keeping your space neat and focused. The color-changing nightlight adds a cozy vibe for late nights or relaxed evenings, while adjustable brightness handles work, reading, or winding down. It's practical, stylish, and surprisingly versatile, priced at $39.99 brightens every desk effortlessly today. When you like being prepared without hauling a full toolbox, this EDC Pry Bar multi-tool quietly earns its place in your pocket. It fits perfectly into busy work days, weekend DIY fixes, camping trips, or quick home repairs, combining a pry bar, ratchet screwdriver, wrenches, bottle opener, and even a built-in pen. Everything feels solid, practical, and ready when you need it most. It's the kind of tool you reach for once and wonder how you managed without it, priced at $38.99 for everyday carry confidence anywhere. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.